All right, today is oh, got a drop. Today is big drop. You said it though. Looks like it. Today is July 25th, 2025. Um, Looking at a blank chart, a candle here. All right, kind of like look like we're kind of intertwining here, back and forth, up, down. I think we're looking for a buy to hit to push us up higher. That's what my guess is. Um, I'm gonna go over the highs and lows and just run through this real quickly. We had our last few things here where I pushed price up, so now we're kind of staying above this. So I'm going to do some deleting. I took one trade yesterday. The trade that I probably would have been good at was the longs, but I was so short focused that I missed that opportunity, and it happens. But I'm just glad that I was able to at least still walk away, break even, which is actually a good thing. You know, probably would have been better off not taking a trade, probably just sleeping. But yeah. So, what is our goal for today? Actually, let me put those arrows back. All right. So okay, put those arrows back. So go back to this chart here to explain those arrows. So if we go to those, oh, that's gonna be interesting. You gotta only sell out there. So go to this area. You can see that we had a pre-market, we had a buy here, then a buy 830, 936 after the market opened, pushed up. Then we came down. We had a nice hammer candle. ES NQ wasn't really given the best move, but NQ was still kind of like moving up. So this was like all the buys were happening. Boom! I could have entered here for a quick 10 points, 15 points. This would have been a nice little trade. And then called it. We came back again midday and bounced up again. So this area was very important. So looking at how price reacts to these levels, right, and then move. These are what I've been seeing work pretty well. Even with this one here, we can see that we had a little sell here. Price tried to drop, came back up. Would have just messed up the account a little bit. Came back down. If I wasn't able to move my target into my trade into break even, probably messed it up a little bit here. Probably would have been able to regain some of that there, but if anything, I try to take these more extreme candles, and only time I take these when these are kind of aligned with NQ. So if NQ have one and NQ is turning red, then I'll probably take this one, right? Or if ES is turning red and NQ just have this, then I'll probably still take that one, right? But as long as they have that same level, is what I've been really focusing on. Right now, I don't have anything, right? This is how the market closed. I believe there was news, and I don't see anything here for me to really work with, all right? So these charts are looking pretty weird. Yesterday, Intel came out, so that's interesting. Yeah, we had an 8:30 news. I don't see anything on the charts. All right, to really back up that 8:30 news. All right, this is just that, and then we just have rejection here. So this is gonna be an interesting day. All right, so let's go back to that chart. Got the high and low of the trading session. We can now get rid of these arrows. All right, the high and low of the trading session, we're kind of still moseying up. If we go to the daily, you can see that market didn't really not much after the 23rd move up. Market stayed sideways. Market still kind of sideways. 4 hours still moving up. 1 hour looking like it's going sideways, but it still has a nice uptrend. 30-minute, we'll probably see a bend, right? So maybe this might be of an importance area right there. All right. So but as you can see, we don't have any levels that caught my attention when I was just going through that. Nothing caught my attention. So 15-minute, nothing. 5-minute, maybe this area here, maybe. Large volume right here, and price do have this resistance line or support line that's been holding the entire time. Look like we finally said 1, 2, and 3. So this might be something of importance. Maybe, maybe not. I'm gonna go mark the highs and the lows of the actual trading session and look to see if there's anything there I can work with. Because this actual chart itself, I don't see much that I can work with. Uh, what is it? This candle right here is where the resistance line came from. This one right here. All right. So let's go to the actual charts. All right. So our buy is still there. Pretty damn high. Ask me. Selling wise, I don't see anything. We're gonna go down to the 15. All right, so we got that. I'm gonna mark the wick of it. All right, so we do have that. Let's go back to that 20. With a 21, this feels weird marking this whole thing, because it's just like it's the whole 6, and price has barely been moving. But I'm gonna mark it anyways, nonetheless. And then that area here is where that wick was, or that doji candle was. So this one right here. So kind of still there. So whoa. All right. So we just leave it at that. Keep an eye on the 20. So that's basically what I got for this. I got a sell that failed. Price moved up. That's that. All right. So let's go to NQ. I should have my clock up because time is going by. I have about 17 minutes. All right, let's go to the charts. We got a daily, 4 hour, hour, that can stay, that can go, that can move over, copy of that, market, 23423. 23424. $30 minutes. All right, so looking kind of weird, right? 15 minute. 5 minutes. All right, so kind of have this one right here. All right. So let's go to the charts. That one. Okay. So this is the high. I see nothing there. The low, I don't see anything. Let's go to the 100 real quickly. Then we'll go down to 50. So nothing in the hundreds. Looking at the wrong spot. Let's go down to 50. Nothing in the 50. Let's go down to 25. Wick on the 25. Let's go up to 30. Alright, bet. 30 got a nice little thing going on here. Ay. Bam, right. Bow, 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 bow. Boom, bow. Boom, bow, boom, bow, boom, boom, bow. Nice job with the 30. 30 look good. Alright. Okay, so let's put this back to 75. Alright, so don't really have much. I probably gonna be looking up here for a reversal. The shorts at the highs probably might be it. Let's add settlement price. One positive, one negative. Can't make that damn mind. And then 8:30, I couldn't find anything, so that's pretty much it. All right, so with that done, I should look at VIX, right? VIX, I doubt did anything. I don't even think I should be even wasting my time with VIX. Yeah, see, VIX kind of just stayed there. Usually, when ES and NQ are anticlimactic, VIX just very anticlimactic itself. Go to the 30-minute. It seems like VIX doesn't even want to be there. All right, just look at this. Look at this. VIX is just like, I don't know why you're even looking at me today, sir. I just here minding my business. That's what VIX looking like. Just here minding my business. And I totally understand. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Anyways, 11 minutes before the market opens, I'm gonna set up my charts. For today, let's open up this. Cool. The clock should be right behind something. Yeah, do move it up when I'm going over my trades the night before. That is my habit. All right.